Hi, it's Carmen again, and I'm reporting from Frankfurt, Germany. I'm actually on Festgasse, and on my way home, I'm going to pass the old opera, and as you can see, Festgasse is quite busy. I guess all the cafes here, too, also found some way to show the Euro Cup 2008 game, Spain versus Germany. So you have a lot of people still hanging out here, and there's also a lot of people, I guess, who viewed it by the opera walking more south towards, I guess, the center of Frankfurt. And some of us are walking north, probably on our way home or to parties or whatever. It is a Sunday night, and it isn't a holiday Monday, so people will be going to work. However, it is vacation day for the students, so I guess the students don't have to go. University and high school or elementary. But I don't see very many young kids here. It's just mostly older teenagers and adults. So I guess all the little kids are tucked in or watching the game from home. But like as you can see up ahead, a lot of people are draped with the German flag. There are some Spanish people here living in Frankfurt, of course, but I don't see that many as opposed to a lot of Turkish people. And this is a really good night for me because although I didn't actually get the friendly German to talk, I actually got him to sort of like accompany me home. Not really, but in a way. I'm still following him. I'm just gonna make it like this is our date. It really isn't, but I'm just gonna say it is. Oh, he's looking back. Okay. Oh, and by the way, that